Hey everyone, today we're going to be reviewing a product called Grepro. This is a car jump starter. It's about 2100 milliamps, a portable car jump starter with a USB and a 12 volt cigarette lighter. So let's go ahead and show you what's inside. Let's open her up. So the first thing you got is your manual. User manual. Shows you everything you need to know. So go ahead and go through that. We're gonna put that to the side. In here, there's a nice little zipper case. So we got accessories. So let's go ahead and see what we got. Okay, we got our charger. So it does come with a dedicated wall charger to charge the unit. That's great. Let's see. Oh, it does come with a second charger, so you can charge it in your car. Really good. It comes with a 12 volt cigarette light adapter like the other one. Perfect. What else? Happy card. And it comes with a USB to C, USB to micro, USB to micro USB port, so you can plug in and charge any Android device, Bluetooth speakers, things like that. Perfect. In here there's a little, like a little key. One of the buttons is hard to reach. They give you this little pin, so it's easier to reach the button. And here we got our jumper cables. This unit comes with the reverse and correct protection, and also a boost cable. So if your battery is really dead, you push that boost cable to give it a battery extra juice before you start your car. Okay, we have our Grepro. Let's go ahead and take it out. Okay, it's nice. It's heavy. I like that it's heavy. Construction is solid. So this is a nice unit. It's a aluminum construction, which is nice and heavy duty feeling. All right, so let's go over the features. It's very similar to the other ones. We have 12 volt out and a power button. So that's where you get this little cigarette lighter adapter. Plug this little guy in here, and you have 12 volt adapter just like in your car. So you can plug in, chargers, air compressors for cars, car coolers, stuff like that. So let's unplug that. Here's a power button. So if I push that button, the lights show you how much battery you got, 25%, 50%, 75, 100%. I did charge the unit, so it's fully charged. On this side, you got the charging port. So this is where you would use a dedicated charger they gave you. So you would go ahead and plug that in here, and you would charge your unit. Also, they gave you the car charger adapter. So you can go ahead and plug that in here and charge it in your car, which is really awesome. I love that idea. And then they also give you a spare USB to micro USB adapter, USB to micro USB cable. So you can go ahead and plug it. You have two USB ports. You can plug into one of them. This is 2.1 amp, and this is 1 amp USB port. You can plug it in here and charge a Bluetooth speaker, Android phone or whatever has a micro USB port. Same thing here. This is only 1 amp, so it charges a little bit slower, and charge your unit. Perfect. And here we got the jumper cable connector. This is how it looks. Let's get the jumper cables. So this is the jumper cable connections right there. You get your jumper cables connector. It only goes one way. So go ahead and plug it in. Once you get it plugged in, you would take your positive. You open your hood of the car if the car doesn't start because maybe you left the light on or something. Open the hood, plug the positive to the battery, black one to the negative battery port. You would open the hood and find your battery, plug in, this is a positive, this is a negative, connect the positive to positive, negative to negative, and you would leave the unit just hanging there. And then it would show you right here, if you connected it correctly, it would go green. Once it goes green, you can start your car. If you have it reversed, it automatically has an auto reverse protection. It would go red and then go beep and would make a buzzing noise, which at that point you would disconnect the battery and basically flip the cables. Once it goes green, you go ahead and get into your car. You go about 30 seconds and go ahead and start your car. Once the car starts, and let's say the car doesn't start because the battery is really dead, so you would come back here and you click this boost button. This will give it extra kind of a juice, and if you can't reach the boost button, they give you this little kind of a pin to help you push the button. This kind of gives it extra boost, and that's when you go back to your car again and try to start your car. When your car starts, come back to under your hood, disconnect the red, disconnect the negative from the battery, come to the unit, unplug it, and you can basically put it away. This is the back of it, and this is the model. This is the Jump Starter GP JS 1500 amps. Battery capacity 21,000, really good. Boost current 750, peak current 1500, output 2.1 amp and 1 amp for USB ports, and 12 volt has 10 amps. I really love this unit. I'm gonna probably keep this one for myself. I like that it has a high capacity battery. I'm really liking that. If you want to get a little unit like this, click in the description. There'll be a link below, so go ahead and grab it. And if you like this review and you like this channel, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and click subscribe, so when my new reviews come out, you can go ahead and get a notification. Have a great day. See you guys. Bye bye.